In front of me is LG K62 Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, and if you're not in contacts, just switch the panel to contacts, and now locate the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. Tap on edit icon, and to add profile picture, just click on camera tab. And you can either take a photo, it's perfect if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can select photo from your gallery. So let me select one from my gallery. And now you can crop picture either with crop picture feature or Google Photos. I will pick this first option. And as you can see, now you can customize it as only you want to. Let me, for example, apply it this way. Tap on OK then, and click on Save. And as you can see, from now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime Penny will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.